Hey guys, we're at a private Legion grounds outside of Greencastle, Pennsylvania. But the sign says, we're not members, but the sign says fishing is permitted to anyone as long as you walk in only. So another part of the Conococheague. We'll see what we can catch, if anything. Oh yeah, I got something. Oh man, I got a big fall fish. Am I recording? Yeah. Look at this fall fish. That fall fish, guys, about 12 inches. Oop. See you, buddy. That was a decent fall fish. Fall fish on the Conococheague bug. Well, we got the skunk off. No more skunk. Yeah, I'll take fall fish any day. Especially them bigger ones. Nice. What is it? Dude, you caught a freaking brown trout. You caught a brown trout. You want to hold him?
Sure.
Nice brown trout. All right, way to go, babe. Nice little brown trout, about a foot. He's about 12 inches.
I'll put him back in.
Just give him a toss out kind of far. Yep, good. He's all right. He's good. They drop trout in the lakes from airplanes. They're fine. Something swiped at mine. I think it was a fall fish. I could see it.
You don't have much luck
Uh-uh.
in the water.
No, not yet. Got something. Damn, what is this? I am recording, right? Yeah. Fall fish. Look at that.
I just had to say you didn't have much luck, I guess.
Yeah. Man, I have reeled him up too far. Nice big old fall fish. Yeah. See if I can get him unhooked here. All right, buddy. We'll see you. Hi.
Hi.
Got something. Oh, it was a little smallmouth.
It's definitely your day today.